Children, please settle down. Settle down, settle down. Settle down! Thank you. Alright, today we are talking about meiosis. Yes, David, what is it? What's your question?
Why do we even need to know this stuff?
Well, I don't know. It just might have to deal with that. Without it, you would never exist.
Whatever, sure.
Okay. Anyway, meiosis. What is meiosis, you may ask? Or not, knowing you guys. Anyway, meiosis comes in two parts, and each part has 4 stages. In the first part, which is meiosis 1, we have prophase 1. Silly teacher joke. Anyway, chromosomes condense and pair up with homologous chromosomes to form a gametes. Anyway, in this crossing order is when the homologous chromosomes exchange parts of their chromatids. Anyway, in the second part, it's kind of funny, it's metaphase 1. Tetrads that line up in the middle in a random line is always called an independent altruism. And the next part is anaphase 1. The homologous chromosomes separate and move to the opposite ends of the cell. Like if they don't like each other, or they break up. It's, just like you guys. Anyway, telophase 1 and zygote is the last stage of the part 1, which is meiosis 1. Anyway, this is when they just basically separate into 2 different cells now. Anyone have any questions?
No, I'm so hungry.
Hey, please, be patient. I'm hungry these days. Anyway, in part 2, meiosis 2. It's so silly, isn't it? Anyway, in prophase 2. Anyway, the nuclear membrane has disappeared, and chromosomes are beginning to condense. In the second stage, which is metaphase 2, perfect this time, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, the sister chromatids line up. In the third one, which is anaphase 2, the sister chromatids separate onto the opposite side of the cell. And finally, after all this is over, finally in telophase 2, they all separate in 4 unique genetic cells. It's different for the males and females, just like this. Meiosis, and the result of meiosis in males is 4 new sperm cells, while in females the result is 1 egg and 3 polar bodies, which are never actually used when they are produced. Now, does anyone have any questions?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's time for lunch.